ever-increasing number of patients worldwide are now confronting the growing challenge of complex systemic vascular diseases. BrosMed is dedicated to relentless innovation, consistently advancing products designed to treat the complex vascular diseases. As a global leading pioneer in diagnosis and treatment solutions for transvascular interventional therapy, BrosMed hosts hundreds of patented inventions. Till now, we offer more than 40 product series across various fields, including cardiovascular intervention, peripheral intervention, neurovascular intervention, vascular access, and interventional accessories. With over 500 product registration certificates worldwide, our products and services are marketed in more than 100 countries and regions globally. BrosMed possesses exceptional R&D capabilities and an innovative perspective. We have established both the Guangdong Provincial Key Laboratory for Vascular Intervention and Medical Device Engineering Technology Research, along with the Dongguan Municipal Key Laboratory. We have implemented a streamlined and standardized process that fosters seamless collaboration between clinical practice and research and development. And we have cultivated strong partnerships with numerous esteemed physicians and clinical institutions globally. BrosMed has launched several globally pioneering products and consistently maintains a leading edge in innovative capabilities within the industry. In addition, we have established a medical device quality management system and regulatory registration system that meet global high standards. BrosMed has continuously been awarded as a Class A quality accredited medical device manufacturer in Guangdong Province. We have completed product registrations in over 100 countries and regions, providing high-quality and compliant medical solutions to global customers. BrosMed possesses industry-leading manufacturing processes and technology. With over 100,000 square meters of high-standard production facilities, we are equipped with advanced and comprehensive manufacturing equipment. Currently, our annual production capacity exceeds 5 million units, giving us significant advantages in production scale and cost control. BrosMed Medical has a well-developed information system and a professional supply chain team that meticulously manages orders, planning, and inventory with precision. This allows for quick response to market demands and efficient, high-quality product delivery. Innovation for health. BrosMed Medical. Technologies embrace life.